Welcome to a short training video designed to introduce you to the different tools and features found in Google Earth. These training videos are designed to assist you in creating and presenting your information to others in a geographic context. This video is part 3 in a series where you'll be learning to create place marks to represent place locations within your project. There are a couple of different ways to add place marks to your project. The first is to use the drop-down menus at the top of the screen, where you can select Add and Place Marks. You can also add a place mark using the toolbar at the top of the screen and selecting the Add Place Marks icon. Additionally, you can add place marks directly into the My Places window by right-clicking within the window and selecting Add and Place Marks. With any of these methods, a dialog box will appear allowing you to name the place mark and provide any descriptive data that you wish to include. This dialog box is also the area where you can use HTML tags to format your pop-up balloons to include links, formatted text, pictures, and videos. For this tutorial, I've gone ahead and created an additional folder to store and organize my trailhead parking locations. For more information on creating folders such as these, please refer to part 2 in this series. I now want to add a place mark representing the trailhead parking location at Bells Canyon. I first want to navigate in for a closer view using the navigation controls discussed in part 1 of this series. Once I have found a view I am satisfied with, I'll go ahead and add a place mark using one of the methods previously mentioned. This place mark will be called Bells Canyon Trailhead Parking, and in the descriptive window, I can add any information about this location that I'd like to present to the viewer, as well as HTML tags to customize the formatting of the information window. You'll also notice that my icon is not placed in the exact location of the parking area. Holding down the left mouse button and dragging the icon to the desired location will easily fix this problem. Google Earth also allows you to change the icon to one of many available within the program, or link to a custom icon through an active URL. In addition, the style, color, and size can also be changed, as well as the text accompanying each icon. Since this place mark represents a parking location, I first want to change my icon to a parking symbol by clicking on the icon image and selecting the new icon from the list. I'll also want to change the size of the icon for easier viewing within the project. To make sure this view is open each time the feature is selected, I'll snapshot a view of the parking location that viewers will find more interesting and informative using the same steps reviewed in part 2 of this series. Once I'm satisfied with the changes to the place mark, I'll select OK, and the place mark is saved to the My Places folder. I can also move the place mark to different locations or folders within my project by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to a new location. By following these steps, you can create as many place marks for your project as you like. Anytime you need to go back and revise the information or change the snapshot, simply right-click on the folder and select Get Info if you're running a Mac and Properties if you're running a PC. This concludes part 3 of this series. To learn about additional features and functions and how to apply them within Google Earth, please refer to the additional tutorial videos found in this series. Thank you for viewing this podcast and for your interest in Google Earth.